Hey, are you looking to make money with affiliate marketing, but you don't know where to go? Well, you came to the right place. I'm going to tell you about an affiliate network that's called Clickbank, and it is a free network to sign up with. And if you don't know about Clickbank, it's been around for many years. It has multiple different offers on here that you can promote to your email list and actually use it to make money with online, right? So it doesn't cost anything to create an account here. You just go and create an account here. You'll have to verify the account, and then you can start to send traffic to your offers. Now, Clickbank is a affiliate marketing uh, offer website. So you have to actually find offers that convert well for a niche that you want to target. So it could be any kind of niche. It could be a health niche. It could be a make money online niche. Any kind of niche that you actually want to test their products out. You could do so by becoming an affiliate here and creating an account. Like, it doesn't cost anything to do. The thing about it is you have to make sure that the offer is good. You have to make sure that it converts, and you have to make sure that you get high quality traffic to your offer, whatever you're promoting on ClickBank and everything like that. And they give you an affiliate link that you could actually use to promote. And if anybody buys through your affiliate link, then you make a commission. And if you don't know where to get high quality traffic from, right here is the place that you want to go. This is my site, and I actually sell high quality traffic. I have people that come to me and they have ClickBank offers and they want to make money online. They want high quality traffic, so they come to me to actually get traffic to that offer that they're promoting and make money with, right? So when you come to me, is what I actually want you to realize is that you have to have a targeted offer that gives people value, and you have to know what it is that actually people want. So the people on your email list, they had to be congruent with the offer, and then you had to have a landing page and sales copy that convert very well to actually make sales. So that way people are putting their email into your page, they're getting onto your email list by watching a video, and then they can actually buy when they get onto your email list, right? So that's how the process works. And then you have to have high quality traffic, and the high quality traffic portion is taken care of. So if you're getting a ClickBank offer and you're looking for the traffic, I got you covered, right? So I started selling traffic as a marketer, and when I first came online, I didn't know what I was doing, and I was just running traffic, to a site, hoping that I would make sales, and I was doing it very blindly, and I didn't know what I was doing. It's very important when you get cold traffic to be able to track your leads, track your conversion, know your opt-in rate, know your conversion rate, know how much tier one you're getting when you order your traffic. And this was something that I didn't know. So it landed me $87,000 in debt. And then I had to learn marketing. I had to learn exactly what to do to be able to make money online. I had to learn about traffic, and I had to know how I was going to get out of that situation, right? So that's when I started learning about traffic, right? So um, you know that's a key for you as a marketer, is learning how to generate leads in an effective way so that you can make sales with whatever it is you're promoting and be able to actually scale it up. Once you see that it's getting you results, you scale it up and you could buy more traffic, right? Me as a marketer, I would never suggest buying a really large package at once when you're testing. I would suggest testing it out, seeing if it works for you, and if it works, if you get good results from it with good traffic, then you could scale up with higher packages, right? So that's what I suggest doing. That way you don't put a ton of money into traffic without knowing if your offer converts. But if it converts, then you scale up, right? So if you don't know what kind of traffic you'll be getting, here's the kind of traffic that I provide. My list is composed of different sources such as Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. And whenever people come onto my list, I collect their name, phone number, and email. So that way I can actually follow up with them and I know that they actually want to be on my list. And when you order traffic from me, I'm not just a solo ad seller, I'm a marketer first, and I happen to sell traffic. So when you get traffic from me, you have the option to set up a call with me, and I want you to know how I can help you. So I can help you to actually, manage your funnels and know exactly what to do to get results with your offer. I can also help you to get as high as 85% opt-in rate. Now it's 88% opt-in rate. That's my highest as of now that I've got for people. And also, I want to help you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rate because it's very important that you know these stats. A lot of people come to me, they don't know how to track, they don't know anything about that, they're just buying traffic and hoping something sticks. And that's a wrong way to approach cold traffic and solo ad traffic. You never just want to throw money out there and just hope something sticks. You want to know your stats down to a T. That way, you know where your ad spend is going and you know how to actually get the return on your investment. And I want to help you to build a list of targeted people who really want to be on your list and engage with you and really want to know what you're doing, right? So that's what I do. And I am a marketer first, like I told you, and I'm a solo ads expert. So that's what I do. I'm a traffic expert. And first step is to select your package. So you're going to select your package. I have packages as low as 50 cents a click. So down below, the more traffic you get, the cheaper it is. And they go as low as 50 cents a click. And then you have the option to do a campaign review. After you book your package, we're going to review your campaign, make sure you're all set up, ready to go, make sure it's going to give you the highest conversion rate possible so you get the best results possible with your campaigns. And, basically, then we do the launch. And when we do the launch, then the launch starts within, 3 days or less. So, after we do the call, your traffic starts. So here's some of the reviews that I have, and you see sales, 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 and you see some of the opt-in rates are as high as 84% right there. Um, there some people got really high opt-in rates. This is 88%. This is my highest, and these are people that work with me personally. The other ones don't really, work with me, or they may have worked with me at this point now at the time of this video. This one is 85%. So I mean, you see their high opt-in rates. These people are the ones that actually work with me 79%. And so, I help people when they order traffic from me. I help them to get results. So you book your traffic package down here, and then you could either get 90% or 100%. 100% T1 is always the recommended that you should get, because if you get 100% T1, you know that you're getting the best quality traffic. And if you don't get 100% T1, it's fine. 90% will do just fine. Here's some of the companies that I work with. So if you're promoting any affiliate marketing opportunities or companies or anything like that, here's some of the ones that people are in, right? Here's some of the questions that people ask, so you want to check this portion out before you actually order. And here's my guarantee to you. I can't do a refund because whenever you order, it's paid traffic. So the traffic is actually going, when you order, it goes to the paid advertising that I do, right? And then, you can't get a refund, but I compensate you in traffic, right? So if you have an issue with your order or anything like that, I will compensate you in traffic and make sure you get exactly what you ordered, and you have everything you need, and you get the service that you deserve and order from me, right? Because I'm all about customer service. If you have any questions, you can always come down here, send me a message, and I will get back to you shortly, right? So my goal is to actually help you to get results in your marketing and help you to be able to get conversions. So whenever you have your offer and you're ready to get, high quality traffic to that offer, and you're ready to actually get results with your paid traffic, make sure you click on the link below this video to go to my traffic store where you can order your package. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and make sure you get it into my free Facebook group. There's a link down in the description. You could get into my free Facebook group. It's free to actually join. And when you get into my free Facebook group, you're going to learn a lot of tips, tricks, and strategies that you could use. And also, I help people to get results, and that group is free. You just get access in there, and then from that point, I can help you by you seeing what's in the group and actually going and taking that information and going and putting it into your business. So make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this again, and make sure you go and you click on the link uh, below this video to get a traffic package. It'll take you to the store. You just order, and then you can actually book a call right after your order. All right, so subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you soon.